Sesame oil is one of the most potent oils on the globe. Its oil seeds are packed with omega-6 fatty acids, flavonoid-phenolic antioxidants, vitamins and fibers, all of which provide incredible health benefits. What are the health gains of sesame oil? 1. Sesame oil is best for your heart health. One of the most notable advantages of using sesame oil in your diet is related to heart health. Sesame oil is made of around 80% unsaturated fatty acids. It is rich in omega-6 fatty acids, a blend of polyunsaturated fat crucial for preventing cardiovascular disease. Studies suggest that sesame oil supports heart health, while it shields against heart disease risks. Moreover, it may decrease cholesterol levels, which ultimately promotes arteries' health. 2. Sesame oil might lower blood sugar. Besides keeping the heart healthy, sesame oil balances blood sugar levels. It is essential for those that have diabetes, but at the same time, it supports the cardiovascular system by preventing blood clots or similar problems. 3. Sesame oil has impressive anti-inflammatory properties. In traditional medicine, sesame oil was frequently used in its anti-inflammatory properties to deal with joint inflammation, toothaches, and several other types of pain. Recent studies support these claims. The results show that sesame oil lowers inflammatory markers specific to a couple of chronic diseases. Also, it might be beneficial for the better functioning of the immune system. 4. Sesame oil is packed with antioxidants. This oil is rich in sesamol and sesaminol, two essential antioxidants that prevent oxidative damage. It shields the cells and prevents free radical damage. 5. Sesame oil might be beneficial for those that have arthritis. Recently, researchers focused on discovering a connection between sesame oil and arthritis. A small study shows that daily intake of this oil can better arthritis and diminish the symptoms a patient feels.